Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options, and here you're gonna find the most profitable and straightforward strategies. And today is not gonna be an exception. We are gonna need the following indicators. It's gonna be the ADX and the Kelton channel. So, and what is remarkable, we don't change anything. We keep the settings as they are. The only thing I'm gonna do is change the color of the moon coverage, green, and the minus D is gonna be red. So, what is about the strategy? Look, we got several signals to pay attention. First of all, we look at the ADX, we're gonna watch the dynamics of the moon coverage and then go from there. Also, we're gonna watch the touch of the lower and the upper boundary of the Kelton channel. We're gonna play out all this and we are gonna pay attention to the support and resistance zone, updating of the local high and lows well, and that will do all the currency pairs having peaked out. There are $167 on the balance. We trade for all the money on a 1 minute time frame as usual. So let's get started, guys. We're gonna analyze the market first. Let's see what we've got here. The price moves within the channel. We are not gonna open here now. So I like this one. And let's open a long position right away. I'm gonna explain the principle of the trade entry. So the first things to notice is that the plus line is at the bottom and we expect a little pullback to the upside. Also, I want to say that the price hit the support zone here. We see the pullback here, then some upward dynamics, the price entered the channel, after which the price broke through the channel here, broke the channel to the downside, and we're expecting the pullback, and then the price should come back inside the channel again, and basically the correction should be over by now. At least a small pullback will definitely happen. Also, we observe the downtrend here, the pullback should take place, and the rise. Look at this beautiful breakout, guys, exactly as we expected. There are several seconds left before the closing. We perfectly calculated the position entry, and the first position is in a profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. So let's see what do we got here. Okay, let's open a short position. I think we got a perfect trade entry level, and we observe the reversal on the ADX. So a small correction should take place. Basically, the moving coverage in the upper area. Previously there was a strong upwards movement. The price broke through the upper boundary of the channel, and a small correction should follow up. Also take a look at this resistance zone, and it's very likely that the rebound will happen. So at least a small correction should take place, guys. We count on that. Probably the price is gonna retest the upper boundary of the Kelton channel. So we'll see. And yep, look at the inception of the red candle here. There are several seconds left before the close, and our position has been closed in profit. There are $556 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount. Everything is pretty simple, as you can see. I hope you already understood the principle. Well, open a short position here. We call it a nice trade entry level. First of all, we see the crossing of the plus and minus moving average. On the ADX, the plus line should move down a little bit because there was a strong upward dynamics here, strong pullback did happen, after which we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. The false breakout has happened because we see this wick, and now we are expecting the price to move lower inside the channel again. A small correction should happen. Even according to logic, we see, I guess, 7 consecutive green candles, and the red candle should show up. Also, pay attention to this important resistance zone. We see the rejection here and there, and now it's not gonna be an exception, and there we go. Our position is in a profit. As you can see, the red candle has simply showed up and we got almost $700 on the balance. Unfortunately, this currency pairs has a low payout rate. I should have been more careful, but it's okay. Let's have a look, and it makes sense to open another short here. We observe a strong bullish signal. We get a perfect level here. I wanna bring to your attention the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. They are heading upwards, but now we expect some downward dynamics. A plus line should go into correction. Also, we see that the price broke out of the channel here. Previously there was a strong upward dynamics, after which a small correction did happen, and then this pullback again. The local high was updated. And by the way, here is this important resistance zone, and the downward trend should be continued. As simple as that. That's why we opened the short here. And yes, as you can see, our position has been closed in profit, and there is no stop in here. Let's find another currency pair for the most promising trade entry. We are not gonna stop here. So let's see, guys. I think we open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. First of all, there is the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. The reversal should take place. Previously, there was this downward dynamics, after which a pullback should happen. Also, the price broke through the lower boundary of the Keltner channel, and also here we have the strong support zone. Then a small pullback is likely to happen. The price is gonna come back inside the channel. Let's see, guys. The breakout is happening right away. Here is the green candle, and we got a bunch of signal that the pullback should happen, and there is. And yes, our position is in a profit again. The price enters the channel again, exactly as we predicted, and we got $2,000 on our balance. Let's continue the trading session. So let's open two short position. This currency pairs has a good payout rate. If you look at the ADX, we see the crossing of the moving average. We expect to see the reversal. Basically, we observe the sideways trend on the chart in this zone to be exact, so the trend is identified. Here is the touch of the upper boundary of the Kelton channel did happen, and the correction should take place now, and the price is gonna continue sideways movement. Volatility is kind of low here. Basically, the upper trend has finished and now the price is trying to determine its direction because we see this double bottom pattern. However, previously there was more upper dynamics. Let's see, and there we go. Our position have been closed in profits, however one position ended up with 0. It doesn't matter, no big deal, let's continue the trading session. We are gonna find another currency pair. We see the inception of the green candle, and let's open our long position and another $800 long. Let's see, guys. First of all, we see that the minus line is almost at the top, the plus line is at the bottom, so the things should be fixed. The correction to the upside should happen after all. There was this huge dump, the price broke through the lower boundary of the channel and the price started going down. After which the support level played out and there were several rebounds in the past, and the same thing is gonna happen now. The pullback should happen. So the green candle has already showed up. You can already see the reversal on the ADX, and yep, our position have been closed in profits. There is no stop in here. Let's see, continue making money, find another promising position entry. Well, I think we got lucky here because a great entry level. First of all, we see the ADX moving average is at the bottom. There was the crossing of the plus and minus lines. So then we should definitely observe some downward dynamics in the short term. Basically, we see more sideways movement in the zone. You can see the sideways, and here is the false breakout from the Kelton channel, after which we should see the correction to the downside. Actually, the touch took place here and here, and the correction followed up every time. So we can also point out this resistance zone. And there we go, our position have been closed in profits. Let's continue, guys, and open final position, and then we fix the profit. We have some kind of accumulation zone here, but anyway, it makes sense to open our short position. We got a great entry level here. Take a look at the reversal on the ADX. The ADX moving average is at the peak level. Now the correction is gonna happen. Also, the minus line is at the bottom, and this should be fixed. The downward dynamics should take place, and the CPOs, the price reached the support level, and then the price should go into correction, as simple as that. The price broke out of the Kelton channel, and then we see the rebound here, and I guess the price should retest the upper boundary of the Kelton channel. And yes, look at this perfect trade entry level, and here is the inception of the red candle. There are several seconds left, and there we go. Our position are in profits. There are $12,000 on the balance. Perfect outcome. And let's withdraw the money. I think it's gonna be an out for today. So withdraw. I think we withdraw $12,700 to my Bitcoin wallet, and I'm gonna put down the code. Okay. Press the continue button. There we go. Our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen as usual. Hope you understood how to use this strategy, guys. This one is simple as always. Thanks for watching. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.